Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have learned about what is ReactJS, why should we have to learn ReactJS, and why it is so important, and how can you get the job through the ReactJS. So now we will proceed on the second chapter of the ReactJS, why we are using, and we'll start the installation of the ReactJS. Before starting the installation of the ReactJS, I will mention this link in the YouTube description, so you can check from there, because where you will get many of the links, correct? Whenever you will write ReactJS, install ReactJS, correct? You will get many link, the GitHub link, installation free code camp, but you will get some error while installing that. But I will give you this link so that you will not get any issue on your system, correct? After that you have to just install and run the command by one. But before the installation of the ReactJS, you should ensure that you have Node.js already in your system. So just have to write the cmd and just check here node -v. You have a node. If you have installed the node, if you already have the node in your system, then you can install the React. Otherwise React will not work at your PC without node. So you need to install Node.js. I already mentioned the installation and how we will use the Node.js in our system, in my last series. You can check that. Okay. So now you have to just copy this command, npx create react app my app. So again you have to go in downloads. We will go to here cmd, we will open that, and you have to just paste this command here. What is that? Npx will run to install your React app, and create react app is a command, and this my app is your application name. So we will change our name, my first app in ReactJS. After the enter, the ReactJS is totally different, correct? So whenever you will get everything from the React site, you don't have to create any pages, you don't have to create any app.js like Node.js application we have built. In this you don't have to write anything. This command will make project structure for you. Okay, let's wait for 1 to 2 seconds while installing the ReactJS. This lot of the things it will install, and we will check which version we'll use in the ReactJS by this command. It's almost there. You don't have to worry about that. If you already learned the ReactJS in this is a professional course. You will learn about the industry standards, not as a simply, which normally developers or in YouTube they have already did. But in this you will learn about professional course about ReactJS, and that terms which we are used on industry, that will helpful for our project. And why should we have to learn this? I will explain one by one everything in this series. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. It will install, I think. My first app, it's already come there. Yeah. Installing template dependency using npm. See, if you will not install the node package manager, then this will not run by the use of npm. So you have to ensure that npm will already in your system. Okay, in this they have installed React DOM, React scripts and CRA templates. Yeah, it's working. Now you can check created git commits, success, created my first app at my HP downloads, my first app. You can check it at your end as well. Inside that directory you can use several commands. npm start, we will start our project with that. npm run build bundles the app into static files for production. Like on the React side, when we are upload our application in production, we will use build, not whole code. Okay, npm test, it will we can write the test cases here and check. You have to just copy this command, okay, and paste it here. So you will go in the React my first app. So when you can check the directory, in this have a .gitignore file, node modules, package log.json, package.json, public readme.file and src. We'll go one by one about this project structure, but for that you have to wait for the next lecture. But I will run this project for you. You have to just sign npm run start, because they have already write that. npm run start or npm start, both are the same. You can do any of them. From this you will see it will automatically restart the project. Just wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, it will. Edit, sort, save to reload. This is our React app and it will run automatically. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you to watching this channel. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you in the next lecture.